caramel coated fruit. This is our episode 2 of caramel coated fruit, and today we are going to make caramel banana sliced. Okay, first thing first, we are going to peel our banana, and even before peeling, let's remove these sides. Make sure your banana is rigid enough so that it doesn't break when applying the coat. Watch carefully as I am going to show you how to make banana caramel coated. So after removing these ends, we're going to cut them into equal size. One, I think these are circular pieces. Just going to peel off the banana. It's now easy. Yeah, make sure your hands are clean. Just peel off easily, nice and simple. Peel them as you place somewhere so for you to apply the coat after you make our caramel. And this is episode 2 of our caramel coated fruit. The first episode we did of apple, and today we are changing, so we are doing for banana. So there we have it, guys. These are our bananas, and so we are going to make caramel. Yeah, we are putting this aside. So let's prepare our topping before we prepare our caramel. And our topping, we're going to use top nuts. These are dry roasted peanuts, and I'm going to use them. So I'm going to remove the coat of the nut, then I'll sprinkle this and then we crush it. There we have it, guys. These are our crushed peanuts. I'm going to use this for topping. Let's now go and make our caramel. So guys, after we have prepared our fruit, we have prepared our topping, finally we are now going to prepare our caramel. And this is the first basic steps to make caramel at home. So what you require is you need to have sugar, you need to have butter or margarine, and also you need to have milk. So first thing first, see that this is caramel. It is caramel. So at this point you give it some few minutes. See that? It's very sweet. So before I get it off, let me add essence, vanilla essence. This is vanilla essence. See, just a pinch. I can smell the aroma, or is it the flavor? Yeah, I can smell it. Then I'm also going to add a pinch of salt. Kidogo kwa umbali. Something like that. See that? Yeah. Final mix. This is our final mix. The purpose of salt is to levelize. Yeah, it's to levelize the sugar level. If it's excess, it will beat that. So it's ready. You see this? It's very ready. So we're gonna leave it for 2 minutes to cool down so that we start doing the coating. And also we are not supposed to be late because it dries very fast. So a minute or two is enough for us to start doing our coating. Quick one, homemade, simple, nice and easy. Here is our banana, and I want to do the topping. So you can use your spoon or you can use a toothpick. So I'm just gonna do this while it's still very fresh. Yeah, so after that epic coating, I'm going to do my topping while the caramel is still fresh. So you take your nut, which is my nut, then you sprinkle, just sprinkle at the top, and there we have it, guys. Quick one, homemade, simple, nice and easy caramel coated banana. Simply caramel coated banana. And we have just achieved what we were preparing. This is a simple dessert you can make at home. Try and make this for your family, your friends, your kids, and even for yourself, and you will enjoy. This is a simple dessert that you cannot buy at the supermarket. Make it at home. Simple, nice and easy. And for tips, this is best consumed within 48 hours for best texture and flavor. So bon appetit. Thank you guys for watching. Catch up with me each and every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, weekly food inspirational videos. I'm yours truly and truly, Jayuga. Bye bye.
Banana caramel coat maker, caramel maker, quick one, homemade, simple, nice and easy. Thank you guys for watching.